Hey guys, it's me, back with another video. I haven't done one in so long. So now we're gonna make a Lego butterfly knife again, but no Technic pieces. So these are all the pieces you'll need. I'll flip them over because they're all scattered. So 2x6, 1x4, 1x2, one of these square things, 2x8, and then these are the two most important pieces. They open and then close. Okay, so stop, look at the things if you want. So what we're first gonna do, we're gonna take these two, attach them both. Oh, sorry. You're gonna attach them like, I'm stupid. Hold on. I can't. Okay, there you go. We got it on. All right. So what you want to do? Take this piece. It could be square. Mine's round, but it could be, yeah. Just it has to be a square. It has 4. So put it like that on one of the sides. Then do that. And then take your blade and put it like that. And it looks so flat. So we're gonna put some pieces. And we're almost done. So you put the pieces. On like that. And then you put these two pieces, 2x6. Put them on like that. Oops. And now you're done. It could be bigger than this. It's just I didn't have the pieces, and sorry if that was really bad. But yeah, this is how you could do it. I can't do it with one hand right now, and it's pretty tiny. But yeah, that's how I make a Lego butterfly knife. And if you want me to teach you tricks, comment if you do, and I hope this helped you. It sure should help you. Sorry, I hit you guys. And yeah, that's it. It could be way bigger, but mine's like that, like I said. So like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. I'll probably make another knife one very soon out of Lego. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.